Yo, what's going on, guys? Peace and... Sorry, my daughter is calling right now. Yo, what's going on, guys? Peace and blessings, peace and blessings. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down this UJ trade that I caught live in front of my mentorship group this morning. And in this video, you see that I broke everything down from the pre-market analysis, the middle of it, me entering the trade, me exiting the trade, the thought process, and everything in between. So hopefully you guys enjoy this quick video. It's not too long. It's like an 8-minute video in total. And other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to comment, make sure to share, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. So I know the overall trend right now is bearish on the 4-hour time frame, so I'm only going to be looking for sells. Now I'm going to mark off my 1-hour zones that we can have one right here. But none of the bodies close below here, and then I have this resistance that I want to mark off right here. So for right now, oh, this is beautiful. Okay, this is looking clean right now. This is looking clean. So what I'm seeing right now is that scenario that I see all the time where you have the rejections, the resistance, price came down to resistance, came down to support. And as you can see right now, it's not coming back up into this range once again. Price is starting to hold as resistance right here. So for me, sells could be in the play very, very soon for UJ. I just want to wait for a little bit more of a confirmation. Potentially, there's an area right here. 1 second. This area right here. So actually, no, I'll be patient. So this is what I'm going to do. Since this minor area is right here, I would wait for this to be an overlap because price is breaking above here. I would wait after this candle closes, if it closes rejection on the lower time frame, such as the 5-minute or the 1-minute time frame, for price to break back below here, retest this, give me this rejection, then I'll look to take sells at this point in time. So what I'm going to do here is actually just set some alerts. UJ looks like it still could go bullish. I'm gonna set an alert right here. I'm gonna set another alert. Well, price already rejected this one. I still wouldn't look to take sales right here. I would rather wait, like just miss out on a good setup to get an even better setup. I'd rather wait for price. I'm gonna take this off as well, just so I can look at clear market structure. I'd rather wait for price to give me that lower high to start looking to go short here, as opposed to just taking a buy position right here. I'd rather wait because this is a area right here where price was holding as resistance, as you can see, even going down to the 5-minute time frame. You can see price kept rejecting here. Resistance even held as resistance a little bit here. Why would I take a sell position right here where this could easily hold as support and then continue to go higher? I would rather wait for this to give me, like I said, give me that overlap, break back below, retest, and look to go short from here. And if price continues to keep going up, then great. I saved myself a loss by not just jumping in to the trade. And then if price pulls back up into this area, gives me that rejection, I'm going to start taking sales here. Stops are going to go above the resistance. And my first TP is going to be down into this area of support right here. This is going to be my first TP down into this area of support. And if price breaks lower, then I'm going to look to target this area. This is zone. I'm not drawing a box down here. This is zone down here and then down into the 150, 149, 600s, down into that zone down there. But with UJ, I didn't have all the confluences. Now I have all the confluences except for the actual like confirmation the candle to close. I have the market structure, which is clearly bearish. Price is trading. Well, it's trading at this key area. It's still trading at the key area. I just want to wait for price to pull back into that area and give me that candlestick confirmation. So I'm just waiting on that confirmation for me to actually take the sells, and then I'll take the sells here. So if I were to take sells here, my TPs have to be here. So I have to be very, very cautious. If I take sells up in this area, I have to be very cautious. If I see that rejection, I have to start taking positions off because what could happen is price could reject here and then start flying all the way up from there. And it's very simple. If price does continue to drop lower, just wait for the break and retest here to get back in for some more positions if I do close those positions. So let me look at UJ on this 1-minute time frame and potentially look for some sells. That 5-minute did close below. See prices rejecting this area a little bit. Could be a double bottom right here too. It's just like this is still in the zone, but it's still this overall resistance range right here. So as long as price can, even if it does pull back up, because this is on a 1 minute time frame, but you got to look at all the time frames in confluence. Like this 30-minute time frame right here is this is just what all that 1 minute stuff looks like on this 30-minute time frame. It's just this. So it's 2 minutes. So for one, this 30-minute time frame has to close anyway for price to continue to go bearish if it is going to go bearish. Okay, yeah, yeah. Oh, so you acclimate. Oh, TP1 just got hit too. Price is breaking below this area right here. So I got in that UJ trade. One quick second. I got into this trade after this rejection right here. So I entered here. And as you can see, TP1 just got hit right now, but I want to be very cautious of this area. Because if price closes as a overlap, price could easily I always like to incorporate the overlap. How price could, even though it's below this area at this point in time, there's still 3 minutes left for price to close. I always love to incorporate if price were to close back above because price does not have to, price can close like this, just like right here. At this point in time, this was a full on bearish candlestick and price ended up closing and came all the way back up here. So if I just tried to take a position here or just like hold to position, like I would have lost. If I would have took a sell here and then held this position, it's like, oh, price is going to keep dropping. No, it's not. And it came all the way back up, been sick. If your stop loss was too tight, would have got stopped out. So for me, with this UJ position right here, seeing this rejection, if price starts to break back above, since the TP1 has already got hit, now I'm going to move my stop loss above TP1. So if price breaks all the way back above here, I'm just going to get out, like just get out of the position, take it right here. And then I would rather wait for price to actually show me that this is holding as resistance. Then I'll get back in for some sell positions right now. So definitely a green trade right now. Definitely a beautiful trade. This was actually a very quick, very clean trade. Uh Damn, what was I saying? I was saying something before I was talking about the trade.
Y'all were talking about news.
News. Oh yeah. I forgot what I was saying about news. It was when it comes to news, like when I'm trading news, I don't mind. I don't trade the actual news coming out. Absolutely not. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this position here right now. Cool. So I just got out that position. It was a quick, very quick, very quick trade from here. Very quick trade down into here.